What strategy do you follow for scaling PPC without increasing ACOS? I think the easiest way for you is going to be look up the budgets on the campaigns and see how much each campaign budget it consumes during the day. What can happen is that most of the time you might be depleting your budget for the best performing campaigns too early and too soon. So the way how we would look that up, you would log into the ad console and then you would go into the budgets tab. And then on the budgets tab, you can see exactly each campaign for how long it stays active. Let's say your target ACOS is 20%, and then you have 2 to 3 campaigns that are right now under 20%, but the budget is being exhausted too early during the day. So what we would be doing is increasing the budget on those campaigns and give it a day to see how they perform. What we are seeing on our end is that we are increasing budget for things that work well for us. Therefore, you're going to increase your sales without increasing costs. So that would be a good scaling strategy when it comes down to how to increase your PPC sales without increasing ACOS. Second thing that I can think of right now, and this is going to come down to optimization. What we like to do here at ScaleWave, we're analyzing each campaign type and each ad type. Giving you an example, for one of the accounts we're working on, what we noticed is that ACOS for automatic campaigns was 200%. Previously, it wasn't. So I'm not sure if it was a fluke or what happened right now at this specific stage, but we were like, all right, ACOS for the auto campaigns goes super high, and the spend percentage for automatic campaigns was around 30%. So 30% of our budget right now goes through campaigns that are not profitable. So we started to optimize only automatic campaigns. We did not touch the manual campaigns because they were already profitable. So we optimized the automatic campaigns. Then we looked into, all right, so now technically we created additional budget. We saw that the modified broad match type was producing most of our sales. And we said, okay, let's create more of those and let's have them with a bid where we can afford spending that X amount that we saved from the automatic campaigns. So it was more of a strategic move. Both of them works well. The first one, I would try the budget.